everyone, welcome to Pimi's Handcrafted Soap. What you guys just saw was me putting up a photo of a YouTube logo. This week I reached 100 subscribers to this channel and I feel so grateful and thankful. Thank you so much you guys for being here. Also at the beginning of this video you guys saw how I infused calendula into some olive oil to make calendula infused olive oil, and that's because this batch we're making today is going to be a Bastille recipe. I'll have more explanation about what that is down in the description box as well as the recipe itself. But the thing is that you use mainly olive oil for a Bastille recipe. So what you watched was me infusing calendula flowers into olive oil using the magical butter machine for overnight 8 hours. And this is the oil we have, and we're going to use this in the soap batter. I have already strained out the flower petals and now we just have the calendula infused olive oil. There's bits and pieces of the flowers in there, but that's okay. It could provide a little bit of exfoliation. If you don't like that, you can strain it down even more. So for the infusion, I use 1 ounce of calendula flowers, dried petals, and 25 ounces of olive oil. Now we need 22 ounces of calendula oil, but we're using 25 just when the flowers absorb the oil. We'll have around the amount that we need left. If you find that you have less, like if you have less than 22 ounces after straining it all out, just add some olive oil. Here's the calendula flower petals. I'm gonna be decorating the top of the bars with this. It's gonna look awesome, and this recipe is really mild and gentle. It's going to have no scent, it's going to have no color. So this is a really all-natural recipe, and it's good for dry skin and skin with some issues. And this is gonna be the mildest bar that I make yet. So what I'm using for lye solution today is of course some lye. For the liquid part we're using today is some calendula tea that I froze in this silicone mold here. You can use ice cube trays, I just don't have any. So this is calendula tea. We're gonna be using 4.56 ounces of this. And also with that, we're using 6 ounces of aloe vera gel. Here is the lye mixture, and the lye is all dissolved. I'm gonna take the temperature of this because this is at its hottest right now. If you're using goat milk, you can also freeze it as well so it won't scorch all the milk and sugars in the goat milk. So this batch is gonna go pretty fast. It is unscented, it is uncolored. What I have here are the 3 oils, which are calendula infused olive oil, 22 ounces of that, 2 ounces of castor oil, and 8 ounces of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of colloidal oatmeal for gentleness and soothing to the skin. This is the most mild bar that I can make, and it's all natural. So let's get on with the process. can see a bit of plant matter in there because I strained this once. Remember, if you don't like exfoliation, you should be straining this twice. When I was soap making in Thailand, I would use olive oil pumice because that was the best deal I could find. And olive oil pumice, it makes your trays go fast, so I didn't really have to use the stick blender at all. I would just stir this with a whisk, and 3 minutes is all incorporated and it's all tracing. This has reached medium trace. This is a good explanation of trace right here without using any words. Do you see that? Do you see the trailings? This looks so great, you guys. Do you like one colored soap or do you prefer swirls? Super stoked that my channel, Pimi's Handcrafted Soap, reached 100 subscribers this week. Thank you so much to you guys for being here, and I would also like to welcome new subscriber too. I hope you are enjoying so far. Leave me a comment down below to say hi, or if you have any questions. Okay, so how did I do? Pretty good, right? Though I didn't scent this, it smells really great on its own. I can smell a little bit of the calendula flowers, and it ain't bad at all. So here's what the finished soap looks like. Do you like it? I try to push the flowers down into the batter so that it sticks and it would be no issues and we won't lose so much when we cut it. I'm gonna put this to bed for about 24 hours and we're gonna cut it the next day. It has an amazing smell on its own. You guys normally like unscented soap or do you prefer scented? Comment down below. See? So this is the next day and we're gonna cut the soap now. This is what it looks like. You can see there's a crack in the middle of it. That's because of overheating, but it's okay. It doesn't affect the soap. Let's cut this quickly. Here's the cut soap. This is Calendula Infused Olive Oil Soap. Very mild and gentle. It is unscented, uncolored. It has over 70% olive oil. And because of olive oil, it's a soft oil. It was kind of hard to unmold, even though I put it outside in the cold weather for about a couple hours. But anyway, here it is, you guys. If you like this video, please thumbs up down below. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'll see you next week. Bye.